Today is late March, which is exactly 1 year after I planted these Thuja Green Giant trees. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna mulch them and give you guys a little update and see how tall have they grown. Right now they seem pretty established, and I think this year is gonna really grow fast. I wanted some privacy from the neighbors. And in between the green giants, and I planted some shrubs, and here are my 20 bags of mulch. I have decided to put some 10-10-10 fertilizer on them. Well, I'm just gonna put one small scoop of slow releasing fertilizer per each tree. Not a lot, just one scoop. I'm in zone 7A, so hopefully after this year's mulching, I won't have to do it anymore. So I mulched this one and that one. It takes about 4 shovels per tree. 1, 2, 3, 4. And use your hand and just spread it out. That's it. You're done. Okay, I just finished mulching the entire boundary line. These ones right here are simply the random trees or shrubs I dug out from the woods, and I don't know what they are. I just dug them up and planted them right here as the boundary line. So I'm not gonna measure them. And they're growing. They rooted last year. They're growing nicely. See how tall this one is. This one is about 36 inches. I think the tallest one I had was 38 from last year. So this one is about 38. This one is about 42. This one is about 37. This one is 48. As you can see right here, this is the new growth, and the gold or brown ones or yellow ones are the old growth from last year. So it grew this much. It's 8 inches. Let's see how tall is this one. I think this is the tallest one. This one is about 51. Yeah, this one's the tallest one, 51. That one's 48. Let's see how tall is this one. This one's about 45. And this is the last one. This is the baby one. This one is about 27 inches, not too tall. 27. These are my shrubs, my privacy shrubs. I don't know what they are, but I grew them. I propagated some and transplanted some. So the purpose of this row right here is to have some privacy right here when I'm at the patio. So this is exactly 1 year. This is the progress. This is late March. I mulched these and hopefully they'll grow really fast. I'll provide another update in the fall of this year. Thanks for watching, and please come back next year for more progress, and please subscribe if you have not.